Each of us must face difficult situations. Do not be afraid of everything. Have to pass them. How to get through hard times? Some people ask Einstein about this and how to deal with a challenging time. Einstein said that life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Friends, our lives are like this. We become weak, we become paralyzed, we also lost the energy to face it. It is only by fighting forward that our strength returns to us. How to fight with the situation? How to get out? Let me tell you a short story about this. The sick old man was always sad and anxious thinking of something. His friend came to see him and he said he was going to see the pastor. Then the sick old man told him to ask the pastor how much I was going to suffer like this. The pastor told that he was trouble for in another 5 years. His friend thinks he will still be heartbroken if he tell him this, and he says the pastor to ask something positive. The pastor told him to say, "Dear God, thank you for everything whenever suffering come." From the moment the sick old man say, "Dear God, thank you for everything," his life began to change. His diseases began to decline. 7 days later, the same man went to see the pastor and he was shocked to see the sick old man because he was singing happily and he was very happy. What is the reason for this? He changed his thoughts and prayers positively. He was satisfied that what he had. We need to change any hard situation. We are in right now with positive thoughts in our favor. In this, I will tell you 4 simple ways. Number 1, gratitude and positive prayers. God, I have prayed as a thank you for giving me everything so far without thinking negatively. 1. Cultivate negative thoughts. If you fail in any exam, you will not regret it. You can meet a new person and you can develop your knowledge and thoughts, etc. Third one, believe in hard moments. I just have to think that this situation is also in my favor. Without thinking that I am unlucky, why it is happening only to me. I have to believe that this situation from a new angle. Fourth one, there is benefit in the completion of every suffering. Enough of every suffering will leave the good things at this end, but it only know us to later. There are many benefits going on for us even in this dire situation. For example, we follow the way the government creates. We are all in stay safe at home. Therefore, it taught many good things as it has turned in Corona time in our favor as well. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you for the Mind Voice Wellbeing Center team. Thank you.